Carbapenem-resistant enterobacterales, CRE, represent a significant and growing public health threat, rendered resistant to carbapenems, an essential class of last-resort antibiotics, through the production of carbapenemase enzymes. CRE includes species such as Klebsiella pneumoniae, Escherichia coli, and Enterobacter, which utilize various mechanisms to resist antibiotics. Key resistance mechanisms are primarily caused by carbapenemase production, which hydrolyzes the beta-lactam ring crucial for antibiotic efficacy. This resistance can be intrinsic or acquired, with genetic factors playing a notable role. Notably, KPC and NDM carbapenemases are prevalent around the world, contributing to high mortality rates. Biomedical scientists are essential in identifying CRE accurately and matching appropriate treatment. Currently, antibiotics combination therapy remains a prevalent treatment strategy. Mobile genetic elements, including various plasmids, play a key role in the transfer of carbapenem resistance genes. Following other key carbapenemases contribute to the resistance seen in CRE infections. KPC, Klebsiella pneumoniae carbapenemase. KPC hydrolyzes carbapenems and affects various beta-lactam antibiotics. It is recognized as a significant driver of CRE infection rates. NDM, New Delhi metallo-beta-lactamase. Characterized by its requirement for zinc to inactivate carbapenems, NDM has a high capacity for horizontal gene transfer, raising the risk of widespread resistance. OXAF48-like. This class of serine carbapenemase also hydrolyzes carbapenems but remains resistant to many beta-lactamase inhibitors, showing a growing prevalence, particularly in Europe. VIM and IMP. Metallo-beta-lactamases are commonly found in Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Enterobacter species and can join resistance across numerous antibiotic classes, including aminoglycosides and carbapenems. The rise of CRE is a worldwide problem, with significant prevalence noted in various regions, particularly Europe. With the stakes high given the mortality rates associated with CRE infections, the urgency for coordinated public health actions cannot be overstated. Thanks for watching.